Action Jackson, and this is a long overdue video. I've been thinking about doing this for a while, and now I'm finally gonna pull the trigger on it. This is a for sale video. This is a large collection. I don't know how. I'm definitely not the biggest Lego collector ever. Clearly not. But I have played with Legos since I was 8 years old, and I really don't have any use for them now. I don't plan on passing them to future kids or people like that, if I ever have children. But this is vintage. A lot of this is vintage Legos from the 90s and earlier, and some early 2000s. There is no new additions. A lot of them are dusty. So they will be cleaned if you're interested in purchasing. Some of the condition is pristine, and others there is some marks or yellowing, damaged Legos, and everything will be priced accordingly. If you want to purchase like pieces, just name what you're looking for, and I got it probably. Minimum purchase is like $5 or $10 because of shipping. So I don't want to lose money per se. Maybe try to profit a buck or two, if at all possible. I mean, I got pieces on pieces on pieces. Like this window right here. This is perfect for anything. Regular pieces like that, pieces like that, floorboards. Oh my god, it's huge. These are old, and the condition it's dusty. Like I said, I dusted off. This is kind of broken right here, so that's discounted. Like airplane stuff, that's perfectly good when cleaned up. Oh man, just pieces among pieces among pieces. See, that's yellowing. That's what I'm talking about right there. I believe that's yellowing. This piece itself is actually pristine. Oh man, just look at this. This is a whole thing of Lego right here. So name what you want. I probably got it. NYPD car. I got sets among sets. I can't even list it on any website. There's just too much. I don't feel like listing it. Figurines right here. Like, or the Lego people itself. It's a bust I made a long time ago. Oh man, my creative skills were off the charts good back then. Some Star Wars stuff. Half of a car, I believe I made. Oh man, just there's so much I can't even get it. If you're interested, links in the description, or you can just comment, message, whatever, and we'll try to make some deals happen. I mean, just name what you want, I guess, and I'll try to give it to you. Alright, thank you for watching this. Subscribe.